Epoxy Resin Art Guide for Beginners. What is resin art? In order to achieve a combination of distinctive patterns and textures, a liquid substance called epoxy resin is mixed with various color pigments and additives. The resin mixture progressively becomes a solid plastic when combined with a hardener due to a chemical interaction between its constituent parts. Thus, other objects besides kitchen counters that can be cast include floors, tables, paintings, jewelry, and sculptures. Materials required for epoxy resin artwork. Top epoxy resin for crafts. You need a top-notch art resin to make beautiful resin paintings. What is required to create resin art? Powdered mica pigments for resin, isopropyl alcohol, 91.9%, wood panels as a painting surface, resin mixing cups and stir sticks. Nitrile gloves, a level, a butane torch, heat gun, a respirator, and a high-density drop cloth. Painting surfaces composed of wood, glass, metal, plexiglass, concrete, and many other materials are suitable for resin art. The availability of highly pigmented paints that are especially well suited for use with resin is currently widespread among providers. You can use liquid acrylic paints, spray paints, ink, alcohol ink, powdered color pigments. How to determine how much resin you need. There is a resin epoxy calculator that will assist you in figuring out how much resin you will need to mix. Challenges in resin epoxy art. Resin epoxy art has many positive aspects, but it also has certain drawbacks as compared to other techniques. If you dare use epoxy resin, you must not be very clean-minded because working with resin is a sticky endeavor. Resin can irritate skin if it comes into touch with the skin, even if you use a resin that has been certified as non-toxic and safe. As you can see, the process of creating a resin epoxy painting takes a lot of time and effort. But once you have a good resin piece in your hands, you'll realize that the effort was well worth it. Enjoy your resin experimentation.